Good afternoon. I am amazed. I can see all the handsome boys and the beautiful girls today. God bless. थोड़ा काला लगा दो नजर ना लग जाए. So before I proceed, may I take this opportunity of making you to pray for the last time on the school prayer, where knowledge is free, words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches his arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father led my country away. You know, my seniors, what is the greatest gift of God? It's an irony that as human being, you can't climb like a monkey. You can't swim like an alligator. You can't fly like a bird. You can even go as fast as a leopard can run. You don't have even claws like the tiger to protect yourself. What claws? Even the smallest of insect can kill you. So as human beings, you are the most unprotected creation of God. Have you ever realized that? Every other animal God has given the strength to protect. It's only human being who is unprotected. However, you know what is the biggest gift God has given? Intellect. It is intellect which God has given to human beings. And it's because of this intellect you overtake and create all that everybody else has which you do not have. You have created something to fly like birds. You have created something like to swim. It's all because of your intellect. And it is with this intellect that tomorrow you are going to stand as one of the finest citizens of our country. We need to realize that success is not an event. Success is moving towards some worthy goal, and success is a continual process. Tomorrow, you are going to move into a world of freedom. There will not be VP sir or Jayanti ma'am to scold you. There will not be Madhav to report about you to the seniors. Tomorrow you are free. However, we should learn what is the security in the freedom. You are protected. That's why you complain. You are protected from every evil. You are protected from everything bad that can happen. But tomorrow you are going to enter a new world. Tomorrow you are going to enter into freedom. You should learn as a disciplined soldier how to enjoy this freedom. Only if you learn how to enjoy this freedom, then this freedom will lead to you to be a better citizen. It is the immaculate character and your attitude which will make you or break you in life. Your character is going to make you a socially acceptable individual, or going to make you a socially unacceptable individual. The choice is, so take the right choice. It is attitude which can break you and take you away from the freedom. Be extremely careful for your attitude, because whatever you do from now will be a reflection of what we have taught you in Sai International School. So extremely be careful for what you are going to do. Mind you, my children, everybody has a wish to win. Everybody has a wish to win. Very few have the wish to prepare to win. There is a difference. Wish to win, wish to prepare to win. And your attitude to decide whether you have the wish to prepare to win. And this wish will take you towards your goal. Your goal in life is short term and long term. Probably the shortest possible goal of your life for now is to prepare for your board exam, because that's going to be your foundation. Probably thereafter the shortest goal of your life will be to prepare for your entrance exam, or the exam which will take you to the next career goal. Our goals and the result are directly proportional, and it is directly proportional to how much of effort we are going to put in the next few days. Probably you do not have even 30 days before your exam, and now on the number of hours that you are going to put will decide how you are going to do. If you think you can do, you will do. If you think you cannot do, you cannot do. So the choice is again. So the choice is, if you want to do, probably you have to put in 12 hours. If you do not want to do, probably your choice will be to put 3 to 4 hours. So to get better marks and to pursue a career in life will depend on the choice that you make and the choice that you take. Children, for us, for me in particular, and for the teachers, the principal, the senior vice principal, the teachers all teaching here, it will not be the same again. For you, you are going to a different world. You will meet new teachers. You will make new friends. You will go into a new environment. You will go into a next step of your life. But think about us. We will miss you. We will miss all those 2 years, 730 days we spent with you. We will miss your smile. We'll miss your pranks. Probably we'll miss the beautiful songs of Akanksha. We'll miss the beautiful songs of Aditya. We'll miss the beautiful drums of Atharv. For us, tomorrow will not be the same again. We'll miss you and wait for an opportunity when we can meet you in the next. We do not know when we can meet you. But believe me, whether you are there physically here or not, our prayers will always be with you. will always pray not only for your exam, but you to be a good human being, you to be a leader, because we understand that our future is protected in your hands. If you grow tomorrow as good leaders, if you tomorrow grow as good human beings, we will take pride that here are our pioneers who did change the world. Here are our pioneers who brought these inventions. Here are our pioneers who are these industrialists. Here are our pioneers who are our political leaders. Who knows? Just 3 words: sorry, thank you, and please, is going to make your character and going to make your attitude. The more and more you use these words, the more and more you are involved in these words, is going to make your personality and your character. It is very, very vital for you to stay connected with your alma mater and connected with your friendship. This sort of friendship that you are having now, you will never get in any phase of your life. Henceforth, all the friendship that will happen with a purpose. Because the friendship that's going to happen beyond the school is the calculated friendship. Because by then you have learned whether to make or not make a friend. So the friendship will become a friendship for purpose. It is only after the school the friendship is a clear friendship, a friendship which is eternal. Value this friendship and keep it as a treasure within yourself. Somebody asked Malala Yousafzai. I hope all of you know Malala Yousafzai. Somebody asked Malala, how do you get this determination and this strength to do things? Where from you get this courage, even not to care for the bullets? Where from you get this courage to stand in front of rifles, pistols, and terrorists? You know what Malala said? She said, if you want to be happy for an hour, take a nap. If you want to be happy for an hour, take a nap. If you want to be happy for a day, go for fishing. If you want to be happy for a day, go for fishing. If you want to be happy for a year, inherit property. If you want to be happy for a year, inherit property. If you want to be happy for life, want to be happy for life, make someone else happy. The choice is yours. So how can you make someone happy? The first choice that you have today to make someone happy is your short-term goal of creating record in CBSE. My dear children, remember to just run for a 15-second run, 100 meter, 15-second 100 meter. The athlete practices for 15 years. Then also the athlete is not sure whether the athlete will win in this 15 seconds. And this is the group of students, I personally believe this is the group of students who can change the history of our school, who can break all the records that the school has created till date and create new record, new challenge for times to come. That capability you all have. What you need to do is to work hard for the next few days. Put all your effort, put all your strength, put everything that you have and show us that yes, you can. Because you are the best or different from the rest. खुद को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा पूछे बंदे से, ए बंदे तेरा रजा क्या है? Did you get it? Every time you think of me, you will remember this moment.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास.
So I have my last wish. My last wish is that I like to have a picture with the representative of the girls and the boys, the head boy and head girl of the school.